Good morning, students. Today we will solve exercise 14b, page number 221. So here we will study conversion of time, means hour to minute, minute to hour, minute to second, second to minute. Okay, so we will convert it. So first of all, you should know second is a very short period of a time. In a 1 minute, how many second? 60 second. In a 1 hour, how many minute? 60 minutes. Okay. So for this, you should know this. 1 hour equals to how many minute? 60 minutes. Okay. In the 1 minute, how many second? So that is your 60 second. Okay. So in 1 hour, how many second? So 60 into 60 second means this is your 3600 second. Okay. And which is the highest unit? So first of all, it is the hour first coming, then after minute, then after second. Okay. So highest to lowest, if you will come, so what you will do? You have to multiply. If you will go from lowest to highest, you have to divide. Okay. And for the each step there is a difference of multiples of 60. There is a difference of the multiple of 60. Okay, so based on this we will solve all the questions from here. So now let's we solve the exercise 14b. So here you can see exercise 14b. First of all, you see here these are the solved examples, you can check it. Okay, now we will solve this exercise 14b. Here is the first question. How many seconds are there in? Means how many seconds are there? It is given minute. So 6 minute is given. So for number 1, 6 minute is given. Okay. So in 6 minute, how many second? So minute to second we have to convert. So minute to second means minute is the highest unit and the second is the lowest. So highest to lowest we are coming. It means we have to multiply. So multiply by 60. So this 6 will be multiplied by 60. Okay. So now this is the 360 second. Okay, because minute to second, highest to lowest we are coming. See here, highest to lowest you are coming, minute to second, here minute to second you are coming, so you have to multiply. Okay, now some more examples, some more questions. Number E, you can see 7 minutes 16 second. Okay, so this 7 minutes 16 second, it is number E. It is given 7 minute 16 second. Okay, so first of all you have to write in the plus form. So you can write it 7 minute plus 16 second. Okay, now this is already in the second, no need to change this part, we have to change. Okay, so minute to second we will multiply by 60. So you can multiply it. So 7 into 60. Now this is became now second plus 16 second. Okay, now here you can multiply. So it will be 420 second plus 16 second. Okay, so now you can add these two, now same unit. So 436 second. Okay, so this is your answer, 436 seconds. So it is given like this, so you have to write in the plus form, then which one is required you can change it. Now one more question, number H, you can see 17 minute 30, 17 by 30. So very simple, this 17 by 30, this is minute, so you will have to change in the second, so multiply by second, and there is nothing but 1. Okay, so now these two can cancel by 2 times. So now these two you can multiply, because you know in the fraction we can divide this crosswise, and up and down we can divide. So now 17 to the 34. So your answer is 34 second. Okay, so similarly for this number 2, you have to convert in the minute. So only you have to multiply by the 60 again. So like anyone you can solve from, suppose this is a number G. Number G, it is given in the mixed fraction. First of all you have to make it simple. Okay, so then after you can change, this is the how many minutes are there. Okay, so how many minutes means it is given in the hour. So hour to minute you have to change, means highest to lowest second you are coming, it means you have to multiply. So you can do this one. Question is 7, this is number 2, number G, 7 5 by 12 hour. Okay, so we will change this mixed fraction to the improper. So we will multiply these two. So 12 7 ja 84 plus this we will add 84 plus 5 89. It will be 89 by 12 hour. Now hour to minute we have to go. So hour to minute means 60. We will multiply by 60 because hour is the highest unit and the minute is the lowest unit. So highest to lowest you are coming. It means you have to multiply by 60. So 89 by 12 multiply by 60. So there is nothing in the denominator side. You just write the 1. Now you can divide 12 5s are 60. Now it is, now this is your minute. Okay, so now you can multiply 89 into 5 and this will be your minute. So whenever you will multiply this 2, so you will get 445 minute. Okay, so 445 minute. So likewise you can do, if it is given in the mixed fraction, you make it improper, then you multiply by 60 as it required according to the unit whatever you have to do. Okay, now next number 3, how many minutes are there? So in this question, how many minutes that we have to find out? So here is given second. First of the question you can see it is given second. So 480 second. So 480 second means it is given 480 second. Okay, this is question number 3a. So 480 second. So second to, we have to convert this second to the minute. We have to convert second to minute, means highest to, means we are going to lowest to highest, means from bottom to top we are going, means bottom to top means lowest to highest. When you are going, you have to divide. See here, when you are going from lowest to highest, what you are doing, you are dividing. So same we will do here also, we will divide it. So this 480 will be divided by 60 because how many steps it cross, only one. So 480 will be divided by 60 and this will be your minute. So now you can divide, this 0 will cancel. How many time it will divide? 8 time. So your answer will be 8 minute. Okay, so your answer is your 8 minute. Got it? Now one more question, number D. You can see 1900 second. So this 1900 second, you just see it. This is number 3, question number D. Okay, it is given 1900 second and you have to convert it to the minute. Okay, so again the same thing we will do. This 1900 second will divide by 60. So this will be your minute. So now here is the most important thing that you should know. What is that? First of all, if you don't divide means you don't cut it. आपको यहाँ पे ये ध्यान देना है कि इसको जो अभी आपके सामने जो 1900 बाय 60 है, इसको आपको ये नहीं करना है, क्रॉस नहीं कराना है, मीन्स इसको डिवाइड नहीं कराना है। जैसे कि हम लोग 0 कैंसिल कर दिए, 2 से डिवाइड कर दिए, ये आपको नहीं करना है। अगर आप ये करेंगे तो फिर क्या होगा वो भी मैं बताऊंगा। आपको वो नहीं करना है। आपको क्या करना है, इसको डिवाइड, सिंपली डिवाइड करना। अगर ये डायरेक्टली डिवाइड हो रहा है तो ठीक है, नहीं तो आप सिंपली इसको क्या करेंगे, इसको डायरेक्टली डिवाइड कर देंगे। ओके, सो 1900 को आप 60 से डिवाइड करेंगे लाइक दिस। यू कैन डिवाइड इट 1900 divided by 60. How many times you can divide it? So 3 times. So it will be 180. So 1 will be here, 0 will be here, this 0 will down here, 100. So again how many times? 2 times. Sorry, not 2 times. It will be 1 time only. Okay, so it is 60. So what will be the remainder? 40. So now this part, whatever the quotient part, जो भी आपको quotient पे मिलेगा, this will be your minute. So you can write here, this is your minute. So you can write here 3 minute. Okay, now whatever this is 40 is left. Okay, you can see this one 40. So what will be the 40? Sorry, here I did mistake one time also. So it is the 31 actually. So it is the 31 minute. And now this side is left one, this is your second. Okay, so 31 minute and 40 second. Okay, so 40 second is the answer. If it is not exactly divided, this number is whatever the number is given and you are converting, if it is not exactly divided, means totally perfectly it is not divided, some remainders are there, so at the time you don't cross that, means you don't cut it there. Okay, simply you just divide it, don't make it simple form. Okay, means you don't have to simplify it. What you have to do, if it is not dividing, directly you divide it, whatever the number is there you divide it. After dividing you will see that whatever the quotient, this quotient, because we are converting this to the minute, means we are converting second to the minute, second to minute, means whatever the quotient will be there, so that will be your minute, and whatever the remainder will be there, that will be your second, because we are converting second to minute. Okay, so this, it means 31 minute and 40 second. That will be the answer. Now one more things I want to add you. What is that? If you suppose divide, अगर आपने इसको डिवाइड कर दिया होता तो फिर क्या होता वो भी आप देख लो. अगर 1900, ओके, इसको आप 60 से डिवाइड करना था. इफ सपोज यू हैव divided it, so this 0 will cancel 2 3 times, so here you will cross it. So how many time? 95 time. Okay, now it is the, here you can see 95 by 3. Now we got the, if you have simplified it, okay, if this number you have simplified it, so what is the value now you have got? 95 by 3. Now in this case, if you divide this 95 by 3, now I am dividing this 95 by 3, because now we got the 95 by 3 minute. Now we are dividing by 60. How many time? Of course, one time. Okay, oh sorry, here it will be the 3 actually, sorry, here will be 3, not 60, here will be the 3, because here is the 3, so it is divided by 3. How many time? 3 time 9. Okay, is now 5 will come, how many time? 1 time, so here is the remainder is 2. Now here you can see 31 is the your, okay, 31 minute, but 2 second is correct, you can match with this. Here we got the 40 second, but now here we are getting the, it's a you can see here the remainder is 40, but now here you can see is the remainder is the 2, is remainder, now you are getting 2. It means you will not able to write directly. It means first of all you have to write in the mixed fraction. So 31 this quotient, now this 2 you can write here, and this 3 you will write here. Okay, now this is your minute. Okay, now next part you have to do some more calculation you have to do. So 31 plus 2 by 3 you can write it. Why? Because this part we know in the fraction, this is the whole part and this is your fraction part. Okay, so in the mixed fraction it is the combination of both whole part as well as fraction. So this is your 31 and this is actually this is the minute. So this both part, this 31 minute, sorry, here you have to write 31 minute and 2 by 3 minutes. So now you can see 31 minute is okay, but this is in the fraction part. So now this minute you have to change to the second. So whenever you will change this minute to the second, you will multiply by 60, because minute to okay. Now you can divide how many time? 20 times. Now you will see that this 31 is okay, this 31 minute, this fraction part you have to change. So now this 20 into 2 40, and now this became actually this 40. Okay, and this is now your second only, because you have multiplied by this. Now you got this 31 minute and 40 second. Okay, so now you see that now you got the same answer here, you can check it. Now you got the same answer over here, 31 40 second, and here is also the same answer is there here in this case, 31 40 second. But here it was quite easy directly. If you have to divide, if you have simplified it, suppose here you have simplified it, then you have to follow these steps also, additional step. So I will suggest you better that if it is not divided, if it is not dividing exactly, you just simply you can divide it. Okay, not do any simplification. Otherwise if you do the simplification, you have to follow these steps, you have to do like this. Understood? Okay, now we will solve the next question. Just see the next question. Now here is number 4. How many hours are there in? Okay, so here I will solve number D, 205 minutes. Okay, 205 minutes. So let's solve this one. 205 minutes. Okay, this is number 4. Question number D, it is 205 minutes. Okay, so you can write 205 minutes. So now this I have to change into the hour. This you have to change this one to the hour, this you have to change to the hour. So again the same thing, this minute to hour you are going, means lowest to highest you are going. So what you have to do? Divide. So divide by 60. Okay, so this 205, so 205 by 60 you can divide. So now you first of, and now this will be the hour. Now you can check that can we divide it exactly by 60? No, exactly we cannot divide. So don't do any simplification. Don't do any simplification, as I have told that if you do the simplification, then you have to do the some more calculation. So it will be easy that directly you divide it. Okay, so directly you can divide 205 and divided by 60. So how many times you can divide it? So you can divide this by the how many times? So here 3 times you can divide, so it will be 180. Okay, so 5 will be here, it will be 2. Now 25 is the remainder. Okay, so your answer is, now this part will be the your this question part will be your minute, and this part will be the your, sorry, this is your actually you have to convert it in the hour. So this is your hour part, this is your minute part. So you can write here 3 hour 25 minute, this is your hour part. Okay, and this is your minute part, because you are converting from hour, so hour to minute, so hour just after minute, so 3 hour 25 minute. So your answer will be 3 hour 25 minute. Okay, so this is your answer, 3 hour 25 minute. Okay, so here you also you can write here, this is your 3 hour 25 minute. Okay, so here what you have to take care, you don't have to, you don't do the simplification if it is exactly dividing. Okay, otherwise you have to follow this step, otherwise you have to do the lot of calculations. Okay, now next we have solved the, we will solve the next question, which is number 5. The moon takes 27 days 43 minutes 12 seconds to go around the earth. How many seconds that? So here we will solve, this is 2, all this we have to change to the second. So first question is given, this number 5, 27 days, okay, 43 minute and 12 second. Okay, now first of all we will write in the plus form. So write it 27 day plus 43 minute plus 12 second. Now we will change this all these values to the second. So now this is already it is changed. Now first of all we change this 22 days. So now 27, so in one day how many hours? In one day how many hours? So how many hours? It is 24. Okay, now in 1 hour, now we have changed to the hour. Now hour to, we have to change this is hour to minute. So how many minute in a 1 hour, how many minute? 60 minute. So multiply by 60. Now then after how many second? 60 second. So now this 27 is now changed to the second, this full is now, this is your second. Okay, this part changed day, day to hour, now minute, now this is your second. So this is your, here we change to the hour, here is to the minute, and here to the second. Now fully 27 days change to the second. Now 43 minute we have to change. So right here 43 into 60, because in 1 minute how many second? 60. So this is your 60 second, and there is 12 second already is in the second, no need to change. Okay, now next we will do, now next here we will multiply. So you can multiply this all. So when you will multiply, you will get to 23 lakhs 32,800. Okay, and this is your second, this is 800 second, plus here you will multiply these two. So here you will get 2580 second. Okay, plus here is 12 second. Okay, now you will add this all, you can add these values. Okay, these values you can add it. So you will get it, here you will get 23 lakhs 35,392, and this is your second. Okay, so this is your answer. Okay, so here is the most important thing what we have done. First of all, whatever the question is given, we write in the plus form. Then after this day we have changed to the second, this minute we have changed to the second, and we have multiplied it. You can see the simplifications we have done, and after that we added these all values, and this is the answer. Okay, now next the last question we have, which is number 6. If you walk 1 meter in 1 second, how much distance will you cover in 1 hour 4 minute? Okay, so solve this question. Number 6, it is that in the 1 second, what is the distance is covering in 1 second? 1 meter it is given. So first of all, what is the question given? Question given that 1 hour, okay, and 4 minute. So first of all, we will change into the second, because it is we have to relate with the second to the meter. So first of all, we will change this all units to the second. So first we will write 1 hour plus 4 minute, or in the plus form. So now in 1 hour, how many second? 60 into 60, okay, this is now second, plus 4 minute, so 4 into 60 you can write, okay, and now this is your second. Now next we can multiply, so it will be 3600 second, plus it will be 240 second. Now we can add these all values, so you can add, so you will get 3840 second, okay. So now total is 340 second is there, not timing. So now what is given in the question is given 1 second. In 1 second, what is the distance traveled? 1 meter, it is given that. So now in how many second? Now we got the 3840 second. So how much distance it will cover? So it will be multiplied by meter, 1 into 3840, and now this is the meter. So it will multiply, so it will get the same value, 3840 meter. So that's your answer, okay.